Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
So I picked up this hutch at a yard sale for $10, and it was just the bottom piece. Right here you see that there was once a top piece attached that they removed. So what I'm doing is removing all the staples, and if there's any screws or anything, I'm removing everything. That way I can take off the top piece. And right here I'm attempting to remove the top part of the hutch. So there's two pieces. There's this top part as well as the second half of the top part, if that makes any sense. So there's that part, and then there's the other top piece. And then right here I'm just removing the excess plywood pieces, because I won't need any of this. And then I removed the top part. Now I'm tracing the inside of this piece of wood that was on the top. That way I can cut out the piece of wood and it'll fit flush in the center of this piece. And there it is. And all I'm doing right here is just marking an X of the pieces that I'm going to be cutting, and I'm going to keep the center. And then this is what it looks like without the entire top piece on. And then I'm just removing the hardware. That way I can start the first coat. I remove the drawers. This is the first coat, and it is in the color Country Gray, so it's a white gray. And then I cut the piece for the center, and this is what it looks like. It fit really well. And then I'm going to use the nail gun, the wood glue, the wood filler. So I put the first piece in first. I'm going to put wood glue all around. And then after, I'm going to nail it down. When you put the wood glue, make sure you do a generous amount of wood glue so that way it does stick. It helps when you nail everything down. So the sides are nailed down. Now I'm going to start nailing the middle piece. And I'm making it as close to the wood like pillars that attach the whole piece, if that makes sense. So I'm just nailing it down. And there it is, all nailed. And now I'm going to go around the entire edge with the wood filler. And I'm just going to put a thick layer all along the edges That way you do not see any bumps or where I cut the piece, or it will look flush at the end. So make sure you're generously putting the wood filler everywhere. This is what it looks like. And then I just sand everything down after it is dry. And then I start painting. And this is 2 coats of the paint. I like the way it's looking here. Looks really nice, especially the top. The top came out really nice. And I did paint the hardware in the gold using Rust-Oleum spray paint. And that's what they look like before. That's after they spray painted. It just looks so nice. And here it is all put together. Came out really, really nice. And here I am just staging the piece to post it on Facebook Marketplace. I posted it for $150 and sold it for $150. I believe it sold in a couple days. But I really like this piece. Took a lot of work, but it was worth it because it looks very beautiful.